Welcome to Scribo for Google Docs. Today, we'll walk you through how to install the Scribo Chrome extension. First, type Chrome Web Store in the address bar and click to enter. In the Chrome Web Store, find the search bar and type Scribo for Google Docs. Then click on the extension from the search results. Now click the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension to confirm installation. Once installed, you'll see the Scribo icon in your Google Doc. When you click on the Scribo icon, a pop-up window will appear. Sign in using your Google account, click Continue, then click Allow to authorize the installation of the extension. That's it. You're now ready to use Scribo to enhance your grading and feedback experience. Check out the next video to learn how to use Scribo in your classroom. Thanks for watching.